Hello, and welcome to our presentation, Children's Health with SOQI Products. In this video, we will discuss the importance of children's health, how SOQI products can help kids stay healthy, and share a wellness routine that you can perform with our products. Children's health topics include illness, proper growth, exercise, and nutrition. Protecting and increasing children's health is of fundamental importance. Children's health is an ever-growing area of study and concern. Much work remains to ensure all children lead healthy and full lives. Investing our time and resources in children's health is important for the development of a happy and vibrant society. SOQI offers natural, holistic health products that can be used by anyone. By improving your body's overall health, you can increase defense against disease. SOQI's core principle is the multi-energy approach. This approach is centered on the idea that multiple sources of energy, when used simultaneously or close together, amplify the effects of one another. Our products use a variety of energies, such as heat, motion, electric, and more, to increase the holistic health of the user. On the next few slides, we will discuss the SOQI products that we feel are best for increasing personal health and decreasing the risk of disease: the Chi Machine, the E-Power, the Advanced CRE, and the Ceramic Heater. Our Chi Machine is uniquely calibrated to provide aerobic exercise to the user. This exercise is similar to running or swimming. While using the Chi Machine, blood circulation increases, allowing for the free flow of oxygen-rich blood cells. These cells nourish our organs, muscles, and body systems, aiding in the healing of injuries and the soothing of pain. The Chi Machine can also help increase resistance to disease by increasing immunity. Our ceramic heater and the fur pad both use the same type of technology, far infrared heat. These products generate fur heat in a consistent range of 8 to 10 microns. These wavelengths are especially well absorbed by the human body and help increase blood circulation and metabolism. When fur heat stimulates deep tissue, it can aid in the absorption of important nutrients that children need to stay healthy. The Advanced CRE uses electrical impulses to stimulate the nervous system, harnessing the power of reflexology. This electric current can help soothe sore muscles and joints, reduce and relieve pain for the user. The electric pads included with the machine can be used to target specific parts of the body as needed. The E-Power is a unique machine that produces a negative potential ion field, which helps to balance your ions. When our bodies have a healthy balance of ions, it can help facilitate better sleep, increase energy, enhance detoxification, and clear brain fog. On the next few slides, we will discuss a wellness routine you can perform with these machines. Treat yourself, a loved one, or a client to this routine to see the powerful effects that it can have. You can improve your physical and mental well-being following this routine. A wellness routine for improved children's health. We recommend to use the Chi Machine for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day. We recommend using the ceramic heater for 30 minutes twice a day, and we recommend using the fur pad for 30 minutes twice a day. The above products are more effective when used together. Then we suggest using the Advanced RE for 15 minutes twice a day, and the E-Power for 30 minutes twice a day. The E-Power is meant to be used alone without any other machines. Please refer to the user manual for more information. This routine has several benefits, which include overall health improvement, stress reduction, the reduction of aches and pains, improved circulation, improved sleep quality, and increased energy. We hope that this presentation has given you some ideas on how to use and demonstrate HTE products for children's health. Thank you for watching this video, and look forward to more content from HTE USA.